Okay, a little video on the Ducati center stand. I picked this up on eBay. Ducati dealer was selling it for $250 instead of the normal $450 or whatever it is. So snatched it up, wanted something to be able to easily change my tires. So of course, being Ducati, no instructions and no install videos. So hardest thing really is putting on the double spring on this side. The other side, you've got to you take out this screw, which is the chain slider. They give you a longer one to replace it with, and then the bolt back here bolts in first, and then you bolt this one in. There's thrust washers on either side for clearance, and then this little bracket with your stopper and little clasp to hold the center stand up while you're riding. So pretty easy install. Spring's the hardest, but once you get this all bolted up and you stand it up, you can use leverage. You just put both springs up here and then pull downward, and you can get them locked in there, and pretty easy install.